Hello, my shining little stars. Today, I'm drawing Socks wearing her sparkly ballerina outfit. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story about Socks' first ballet dance. Before we start, press the like button gently so Socks can dance with extra sparkle. The sun peeks through the window and Socks stretches her paws. Her tutu shines pink and her heart beats fast. I'm going to dance like a real ballerina, she whispers proudly. Give the video a like if you think Socks can shine on the stage. Bluey and Bingo are clapping. Their tails wag with joy. Show us your big twirl, Socks, says Bluey cheerfully. Socks spins around once, then giggles when she wobbles. Tap like to cheer for Socks' brave little spin. Mum plays the soft music. The melody fills the room. Socks takes a deep breath. Her ears bounce to the beat. Step, step, twirl. Mum says with a smile, if you love dancing too, press like and move your feet with Socks. Dad peeks from the hallway, holding his phone to record. Wow, my little ballerina looks amazing, he says proudly. Socks blushes, her tail wagging fast. Give the video a like for Dad's happy camera moment. Bluey joins the dance. Her paws glide like a leaf. Bingo hops beside her, making everyone laugh. Look, Socks, we're a dancing team, says Bluey happily. Tap like to make their dance floor glow brighter. The music grows faster, and Socks tries a fancy move. She lifts one paw up, then twirls with a giggle. Her tutu spins like a pink cloud, soft and sweet. Press like if you think that's the prettiest twirl ever. Mum claps her hands. That was beautiful, Socks. Socks smiles proudly, her eyes sparkling bright. I did it. I really did it, she says with joy. Give the video a happy like to celebrate Socks' big moment. Bluey hugs her tight. You're the best ballerina ever. Bingo nods. Next time, we'll all dance on stage. Socks laughs, feeling light as a feather. Tap like if you want to dance with them too. The stars appear softly. The day turns calm. Socks yawns sleepily, still wearing her tutu. She dreams of dancing under the moonlight. Before you sleep, give this video a like and dream of twirling just like Socks tonight.